Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we will share how to make a funeral program from scratch. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It enables us to continue making valuable content to equip you during a time of loss. Funeral programs are a treasured printed memorial and can often be referred to as an obituary program, funeral pamphlet, or funeral bulletin. The funeral program highlights a life lived by including information and photos within its contents. It is an important and tangible keepsake that is distributed at the final celebration of life. The funeral planning process can consist of many decisions and to-do list items. Often, creating the funeral program from scratch may not be the best choice. If you have sufficient time, are creative, and technically savvy, creating a funeral program from scratch may be a viable option. However, most of us do not have the dedicated time or resources to manage creating the program from a blank canvas. With an already full plate and emotions running high, it would be in your best interest to enlist the help of an online business or create this printed memorial by way of a funeral template from the funeral program site. Creating a funeral program from scratch will require much work and technical ability. In order to create the program from scratch, you will need to find your background design and create the formatting and layout within the software. This may consist of ensuring accurate fold lines, creating pages, setting up text and photo boxes. It is essential you are very familiar with the software in order to minimize any issues that may arise. Because the best option would be to download a funeral template and get a jump start on the process, you will find many online resources that provide templates. Be mindful of the company you choose to purchase and download a funeral template. You can still personalize the template as you like, but without having to put in the hours of work for the initial layout and setup. The funeral program site has been in operation since 2009, serving the death care community. We are the leader in the industry and have many imitators, but none come close to the quality of our products or helpful services. Visit our online superstore to see our entire collection of DIY templates for every design and style, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.